I haven't been posting for a long time. So today, we're gonna open this bath bomb that I got from Japan. Okay, just give me a minute. I'll have to remove the plastic. And sorry, I'm having my exams this week, so that's why I won't be posting for another long time. Sorry again. Okay, so just give me 1 minute. I gotta remove the plastic, and then we can just continue. You can see the water's already filled. Okay, so 1 minute. Okay, I finally removed the plastic. Oh my god! This thing did just it just broke into my hand. Okay, I just watch this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's in the world. Okay, this is too cute. It's a pencil topper. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, wait, let's keep this aside. And this thing literally just broke into my hand. Like, I was catching like this. They went. Oh my god. Okay, no, it's actually just really done. Okay, so this is like. Okay, let's go. Play with my hand here. Oh no. Okay. Hey, what's that? Okay. I think this is something else, but it's the bad one thingy. Sometimes I always think this bathroom thing is something toy thing. I don't know. Okay, so guys, this is so cute. Okay, let's just get out of my bathroom and we'll head to my room. Okay, we're in my room. So we got this cute little pencil topper. Oh my god, it's cute. It's Cinnamon. Okay, it's so cute. Let's look at this. The design is just perfect. How did this made it? The face. There's many more pencil toppers. We bought this from Japan, yeah. So I'm gonna get a cute pencil for this little cutie. So give me 1 minute, another minute, guys. Sorry, I keep pausing the video again and again. By the time you look at this cutie's face. How am I supposed to get? Okay, so I'm literally just recording myself. No help, nothing. Since I still need to get a recording stand. And so you'll just watch this cutie's face. So okay, we're back in the stars. Okay, so I just put my other cinnamon stuff. Wait a sec, am I forgetting something? I feel like I'm forgetting something. Give me 1 minute, guys. I'm definitely forgetting one more cinnamon thing. And here we go. I forgot about the cinnamon keychain I had got. Let's put it somewhere around here. Where should we keep it? Okay, wait, let's keep it. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. What? Are you serious? Flash this game on. Okay, there we go. Here's the new cinnamon pencil topper. I couldn't find a perfect pencil, so I just found a. What? Whee! So I just found this blue and white thing so Chloe matches him or her. Okay, so here's my little cinnamon book. He's so cute. He is so cute. Okay, and I don't know why isn't the pages cinnamon? Is it supposed to be cinnamon or capybara? It's a capybara book. Wow. This is supposed to be capybara. It's not cinnamon. Only the outside is cinnamon. Wait, why isn't the inside cinnamon? Oh my god, my little cinnamon. This also used to be a keychain, so okay, for some reason I feel like you guys are getting bored of my talks. Okay, sorry you guys. So that's the end of the video. So bye.